Chapter 16. Short form contraction. Get set go. The princess wants to send a message to the prince. Her message is 48 words long, but her speaking parrot can only remember 45 words at a time. Shorten her message from 48 words to 45 words. Dear Prince, if I do not escape from the tower, the evil sorcerer will imprison me. You will have to find the hidden key in the enchanted forest and save me before the sorcerer returns. Please hurry. I cannot wait much longer. I am waiting for you. Learn with me. We can join two words and make a short form. We use an apostrophe and remove a letter or sometimes two letters to make the short form. Examples: I am, he is, his, they are, their. One letter has been replaced with an apostrophe. They will, they'll. They plus have, they've. I plus will, I'll. Two letters have been replaced with an apostrophe. Short form with not: cannot, can't, are not, aren't, is not, isn't, shall not, shan't, have not, haven't, did not, didn't, will not, won't, does not, doesn't, do not, don't. Observe the letter that has been replaced with an apostrophe.